the fun of it. That's the fun of it. So
He all smiles.
Yeah, he's in very good touch, Virat Kohli.
I don't know, it must be some sort of a signal because Kohli was doing that to his hair and Dhoni is doing the same thing to his hair. So it's probably...
Despite that Sri Lanka is on the verge of a win. It's very, very embarrassing when that happens. The elastic trousers he's got. The trousers have come down. Look at Yuvraj.
It's been referred to the third umpire. Checking if this is a 4 or not. Nothing else.
Well, there you are. The skins have come out.
Let's go for the next one.
Hi, Akshay.
का 10th question answer round. क्या आप तैयार हैं?
बिल्कुल.
क्या बात है? All right, number 1. Your biggest hit.
110 meters.
110.
Yeah, 110.
Wow, not bad. Did you get that ball?
Why would I keep the ball?
Because it was your biggest hit.
So I should keep the bat rather.
You should keep both, no? And then auction them off once you become very, very old.
Actually, I forgot.
Forgot. क्या बात है? All right, let it go. Your biggest moment off field till date.
Off field. Katrina Kaif just spoke to me like for 2 minutes. So biggest moment off field.
Really? Legit? What did she say to you?
Good game, played well. That's it.
All right, आपका सबसे बड़ा crush.
Penelope Cruz.
Penelope Cruz. I also think she's very cute. Your biggest fear.
I'm scared of heights.
The biggest birthday bash or the biggest party you have ever been to.
Biggest birthday bash. नहीं यार मैंने कभी ऐसे बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया अपना अच्छे से. हर बार मैच खेल रहा होता हूँ. Biggest party. I was in Goa for New Year's once. And वो क्या होता है? कौन सी submerge? पता नहीं क्या वो.
Submerge. Nikki Jala was very happy that she said that.
वो भी यार नाम नहीं पता मुझे लेकिन अच्छी थी.
Sunburn.
Yeah, sunburn.
Awesome. And your biggest strength.
Biggest strength, my anger.
I would have to agree, of course.
Yeah, because you hate me anyway.
No, I don't hate you. Yeah, why do you say that? And your biggest weakness.
Cars, yeah.
You love cars?
I love cars.
What would be your ideal car? The biggest car you would want to own, which one would it be?
Aston Martin.
Nasty.